How does a McDonald's McChicken taste like? We'll find out. No, I'm kidding. I gotta take out the bag. Let me get a plate. Okay. Where's the plate? Oh, over there. Okay, just saw it. Little plate. Good old plate. Get out. It's hard holding a camera and a plate. Anyways, here's the McChicken. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, gotta check it out. Ew, I hate veggies. Okay, I'm just gonna cook it really quick, and I'm gonna take the veggies out. I hate that, the lettuce. Okay, 1 minute because this thing is burning hot. Anyways, let's see. And I'm kidding. Yeah. Let's see how the water works. Whoa. Who would have known? I don't care about that. Let's get out peace. In the video. Refrigerator. Oh my god, why is there fans in here? Gosh, freaking darn it. That scared me. Okay, hurry up. Hurry up. Bah. 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 It looks so orange on the camera. Duh. Duh. I got some Lightning McQueen toys. Here comes to the Piston Cup. My other toys are over there. You could probably see that little light. It's my uncle wearing his glasses, and the little light is reflecting into it. So yeah, I was so confused on the camera till I looked out in real life, and it was that. Oh god, that looks hot. Oh frick. Okay, here is the food. Hello guys. Here's the food. I'm gonna take the veggies out because I do not like that. Okay guys, I'm gonna pause the video. Plan B, just take it with the paper. It's hot. Like you could see it boiling. Well, I'm not sure in the camera, but I can see it boiling right now. Okay, I'm just gonna use the paper and go like that. Ow, you could feel it from the paper. It's that hot, dude. Guys, I'm actually serious. It's really hot. Ow! Gosh darn it. Okay. Okay, that's a little baby one, so it's not really hot. But that one was. By the way, guys, have you ever singed on camera and it sounds good, but when you watch the video, it sounds like literally crap? I promise you. One day I was doing videos and I checked the video and I'm like, yeah, I'm not posting this. My hands burn on fire. Okay, nothing here. Think it's good enough. Check. Oh god, the chicken is hot. Or whatever it is. I think it's chicken. It looks spicy. Okay. There's a fat burger. It's called the McChicken. At my McDonald's, so let's eat it. Whew, that's okay. You know what? I'm gonna put it in the fridge. I'm kidding. Actually, okay, I'm gonna eat it. Wait, I'm gonna close the microwave. I'm gonna eat it. Oh, someone's calling. Wait. Okay, guys, back now. It's really hot in this kitchen. Let's see. Here is the McChicken. I let it get a little bit colder, and it's good enough, so let's eat it. Oh, that's actually good. Oh, they're calling again. Stop. Okay, guys, I'm back. Crap. The thing literally fell and that scared me. Oh my god, my eyes flashed. I'm not sure. I'm just, yeah. Anyway, this is good. It's spicy but very tasty. I'll eat it for about $1,000. Why not? It's very good. It's not hot sauce. Let's add. No, I'm kidding. I'm not adding that. This thing is hard enough. Hot sauce. I do not want to eat it. I forgot how to say hot sauce for a while. Anyways, this burger, guys, pretty tasty. Not gonna lie. You should buy it, actually. It's not bad. If you don't like it, it's okay. Your opinion. I don't care about your opinion. No, I'm kidding. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Me first eating this little McChicken. I'm gonna tell my mom and dad to actually buy this most of the time and to them to eat this because they told me if they wanted like a burger or something, and I said okay, and I just saw on the menu a McChicken, so I'm like, okay, that seems tasty. I would like a McChicken, and I bought this. It's really good. But fun fact, guys, I do not like burgers. This is the only burger I'm probably gonna like. Well, the school burger is pretty good because I don't put vegetables in it. It's a cheeseburger, but this one is good. I just enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Subscribe, hit that like button, hit that notification button, or miss another video. It's so hot. I'm not sure why. It just felt like that little piece was so hot. So anyways, bye.